Breck, what are you doing with Mama?
I'm taking the train out.
You're taking the train out?
Yeah.
These are new. I've never seen this kind of tabs.
Who gave you the train?
I know.
Who was this present from? Who gave you this present? No? Who's that?
Letters. Here's the card.
And who else? Who's she married to? Huh? No, she's married to Uncle
Not a knife.
Sandy.
So look, you go in here, and you can make tomatoes and carrots and peas and onions with the Play-Doh. But you want to keep that in there because that'll get in the carpet, you know?
Can I play with it at the table?
You'll have to ask my mom and dad, I'm not sure.
Mom, can I sit at the table?
Well, remember, we don't play with anything at the dinner table. Okay, after we eat lunch, we can come back and play with all these toys.
We were thinking we didn't want to open the Play-Doh on the floor.
Yeah, that's a good
So I
idea.
was thinking, after not before eating, but sometime we'll find a table space.
Yeah.
And not the eating table. See, and then you just
Breck, show me your train. What does this do?
roll the Play-Doh over the letter,
Is it carrying some logs?
and then it'll leave in that letter.